Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I'm going to do installment. So as I'll leave the in description box the link for installation. And I forgot to tell in previous video, they gave me another tool in there, and I can go step by step. In instruction they say number one, that's the base. I can show you close. Number one is in my other video as well, and in the video you can pause and see this all assembly instruction, and that's another side as well. If you like, pause it and check through it. Okay, number one, they said this is the base. Take the base, and they said once again I'm showing this paper because it wasn't fully shown, and you can see the steps. You can pause and check, and this is another side. So it's gonna show you all the steps. So, let's begin. Number one. Number one is they say install these packets got tires. First they said install the tires. One by one. This one is in this packet, 4 of them. So there is a screw type, I think you need to use this tool to I thought maybe I can do it by hand, but couldn't. So if we are going to use this tool, which one is provided in the box. So look like they're a good company who provide tools as well. First you can do by hand as much tight you can. So the second one I'm pausing as well, so you don't have to go through all this process. So one by one I'm doing it. So first you can do quickly tied by hand, and when it's nearly done you can securely tie it with this tool which was provided in the box. And same time, same thing you can use later as well. as a spare tool for you. And I'm going to pause the video and I'm gonna install all 4 wheels and I'm gonna back to you. Alright my friends, I installed all 4 wheels. Don't do too much tight, otherwise it's gonna bend the metal. And this looks solid, and very cheap. And I was reading the reviews in Amazon, eBay, and lots of people were saying that they ship used one and the tables look scratched and damaged. But my one is very cheap, very well packed, is look like properly item packed, and they use all the foam stuff, polyester, and to pack, and the items looks clean and neat, and also same time strong and solid item. And prices, keep telling you, it's very cheap. That's the cheapest table I find. Only the make me surprised, the table tops, they looks bit tiny. I was hoping, in the picture what I saw, I was hoping is little bit bigger, similar to that, nearly to the box. But whatever price they are charging and the quality as they're giving, I'm really happy. And even the delivery came 2 days before due date, so everything is look like positive so far. And then the time will tell when I'm gonna use this table, and I'm gonna make review as well about the quality in use. And now we are going to do second step. Second step is, as you can see, this one was folded. You have to unfold it, and that is screwed down there. You have to make sure it goes on the right place, because it comes in the way. I can show you in the video as well. So I just did it before. Yeah. Okay. You can lose a bit. So then unscrew this ribbon type nut or screw you call, and take the washer out. Basically it's gonna hold this part straight up, so it can't be get folded accidentally. And this thing you can do by hand, as you can see. So and the next part, the same, you have to do this. Next step is, as you can see, they provide flower screw, 2 of them. They said you have to install these. Don't tight, just install them. There is both sides, as you can see out there. So you don't need to tight yet. Okay, then we're moving towards the third step. Is this part up there. This we have to install. Okay, where this part is gonna go. Yes, and we got another part. It look like a PCB pipe. So they said just install this one. Let me see. There's just only the once. And they said you have to do both. Okay. I will back to you. I just is little bit confused. Okay, these two parts. So I just figure out. You have to see the side hole up there. These two screws already was there, so you know, and just make them in level, and then put the screw in, and it goes in there. That's the longest screw you have. You can easily find this screw in the packet. You're not gonna mix it up with it, and that's the nut as well, so you can do it by hand, and then you can tie it with this wrench you call small one, the key for tightening up. So you can see, and these one I believe to adjust and tight. You can do it later because it's a little bit gap, so it's gonna keep that. I don't think so you need to tight too much. Just level up the tie. Alright, so this was the step 3. Now we're going towards step 4. The step 4 is the holding the top pieces. 4 of them we need to use, and in the background you can hear my daughter, which one is 3 months old. She is making noise. So let me figure out which part goes first. So I think they all look same. There is no difference in between them, and these are the parts. Which one gonna hold the top, these two tops, and same time they made to slide in different angle of degrees as you like to put your table, laptop or tablet in as you like the angle. So let's see which way it goes. Okay, I think alright. You can lose them and slide them, and 3 of them